Hi, I'm Marcos Noronha, and I'm from Brazil. And I work with this company, BraBo Company, in the industry 24 years. I started back in Brazil during the construction of a subway line, a big subway line. And I had the opportunity to come to America a couple of times too. And I learned a lot from the guys here from the tunnel industry. The first time I always attended the ITA conference. Perhaps because of my community in Brazil, they are more linked to the ATA than to the RETC. And it was the first time. It was great, really. I appreciated so much. It was wonderful. I met people from very different areas. And for instance, from academia, I talked with people from the Colorado School of Mines, from the industry also, which I knew before. For instance, Locke Holm, which is an icon. I loved to chat with him yesterday. I met him several times here in the US and in Brazil too, because they have a big project there. And it was really great and inspiring to talk to him yesterday. And also the members of the UCE, Bob Goodfellow, for instance, it was great talking to him. Yeah, yesterday and today too. I learned a lot. I always say these opportunities, these events, it's not merely a contact. It goes further. We share information, we learn a lot, and we grow together. I'm looking now to become a volunteer in the mechanization of excavation group, and I will discuss it further with Brian Fulcher. I would like to offer some help and volunteer too, because I think that's very important. It's cultural, especially here in America, this idea of, we are in a kind of a community, and I expect to share my experience in different countries, mainly in Brazil, but also in Europe, in Germany and Austria, where I studied. And can share. I'm sure I will learn a lot from you. I've been here for 2 days, and for me it was worth a complete PhD course. In 2 days, I would dare to say, because technology and methodologies, and you see different points of views of the tunneling activities, not only technical or mechanical, but also social. That's what I discussed yesterday with Bob Goodfellow, discussed a lot about this. And this is very important because, you have wonderful guys here. They have very high level expertise, and I think they are underused, especially for the agencies, the governmental agencies. They don't see the benefits that you can offer, and they see many times as us like the guys who build very expensive things, and this is not the case. You are offering societal benefits with this. And this discussion is also very important between us, the engineers and the technical guys, in the outside world, government, and the society as well. The common people should also learn a little bit what we could offer for them. I also liked to discuss with the students. It was great. I myself was a full professor. This is the best part of my professional activities, to teach. I love the students, but the environment, now the system is too locked now, We don't have much the old academic freedom that you used to have 20 years before. Now, since we got too technical, too scientific, of course, it's no doubt it's very important, but we are losing the bigger view, or losing perhaps the soul of the academia, I think. And it was very interesting to discuss with the students about this. I hope they will visit me in Brazil. I give my cards to them to motivate them. They could see I live in a very nice place in Brazil. You are all invited. It's in Florianópolis. It's an island in southern Brazil. 42 white sand beaches. great, very well organized. And you have, right now we are constructing 4 tunnels, 4 double tunnels around the city. It's an island, part of the city is an island, and there is also a part in the continent, in the land. So and then I'm inviting the students if they want to visit our constructions there, how we do things there, which is a bit differently because of the culture. Of course, the technique is always the same. But for instance, how we manage communication, how we manage the schedule. You always learn. I was discussing with the students what they specifically working, and I learned a lot, especially with these new technologies, digital technologies that we have now.